Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Please remember to click like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, especially if you have a request or recommendation. Hey, everybody. It's me, DadTheNoob, along with
Sissy
and
Nathan.
And today we're going to make some corned beef and cabbage and
Macarons.
So make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end because we're going to have a special
Finale.
And we say,
Ergo Bra!
Alright, so carrots and potatoes, staple to the dish. And I'm reliving my childhood memories of having to peel potatoes and stuff for my mom. But, pretty simple dish. Make this carrot naked. Gotta get it out of its skin. Gross.
Nasty. Yeah.
So Alyssa said that I can do this much faster than you. We'll see if that's true.
Wait, I never said that.
I may have embellished.
I go. Man, Alyssa, you really do look like a potato. Especially when my hair's in a ponytail.
Speaking of that, when she has to turn one, it goes bazooki.
Yeah, it's like my bun is a second head. Ah, okay, there's a naked potato.
We got about 3 pounds worth of choice brisket. We put that in our Dutch oven. And we get a little seasoning packet. We open it. We dump the seasoning packet up in this joint. We get some salt, some sage, and about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to fill it up with water and some stock, and then we're going to let it simmer for about 2.5 hours. Alright, so we removed the corned beef from the pot and vegetables and introduced the cabbage with about 15 minutes left to spare in the process. We're going to cover this and let it cook for 15 minutes. That gives the meat some time to sit and get normalized, and then we'll be ready to dish it out.
See, that's the egg white,
Yeah.
and then you just go like this. And it's separating. See that?
So what happens to the yolk?
Now let's toss it.
No joke. I mean, no yolk.
Stupid.
Susie's turn.
I'll probably mess this up, and then we're gonna have to do this all over again. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, split at the bottom. It's already here. Ah, I need help. Help me. She's like,
Alyssa butchered it.
That's me.
My sentiments exactly.
Stupid. I tried. I don't think it looks well. It's split at like the side.
It's alright.
Look! What do I do? It's split at the I'm gonna mix your eyeballs. Give me the money. Anyway, what am I doing? Oh. We pour this thingy into this thingy, and then it makes another thingy, and then I gotta pour that thingy, and then in here, and then I gotta mix its eyeballs.
Okay.
You got it?
Got it.
Okay.
What were you saying?
It would be a nightmare if my hair got stuck in it.
Gross.
Alright, how...
It needs to be white.
What?
This needs to be.
Oh, this needs to be white. Okay. Why is... Get out faster!
Split the. Whatever that is. Alright, do it.
Hello? Did you open it up and see if it's sealed?
So is it sealed?
Yeah.
We're smart.
This is gonna be too small.
Oh. 2, 3. Ew.
Gonna mix it up.
Yeah, gross. Look at that. That's wrong. That's me. Okay.
Okay, now stick that one.
This?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
It's gonna be like, yeah.
You have to get over to the point of action.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna do it like this. See how it's round? More rounder? Yeah, like that. Okay,
That's good.
and then I'll start. We'll just have little small ones too.
You didn't do the swirl effect like we wanted it to, but that's okay. Oh, there we go. We got a little bit more swirl coming out. They're just slightly friggin' big. They're not uniform. That's okay. macarons because we're running against the clock for this evening. And start by dumping this cream cheese into this thing here, this basin.
I need cream cheese. First thought, I thought that was ice cream.
Go ahead and take a spoonful of this and eat it, man.
Oh,
Nathan
yeah.
likes it.
You eat it?
I like to eat
Like
it
to
by
eat it.
itself.
Oh, gross! The powdered sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of milk and some vanilla extract. And dump that in here.
Why does it sound like we're doing
Yeah.
science class?
Ah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so Macron. And then we do our little thingy dandy splooginator. Get down.
Where are you going, Abby? You need to try some.
I know, I'm sitting on the
Oh no.
couch.
Okay.
Don't worry, I want one.
And then
Put some spoobity boodooby strawberry on that. Right? That's.
Alright, let's see for the taste test.
I'm scared.
Oh, it's broken.
Yeah, they're very fragile.
Tougher than I would like it to be.
It's not as light. It's okay. It's probably because the egg white's in the beginning. But overall, first attempt, what do you say?
Kind of good.
Kind of good. All right.
Time for
Well, this is- Thanks again for watching. We really enjoyed making this video. If you'd like to see us try and make something else, leave us a comment below. Be sure to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time when Dad the Noob tries to make something else. Until then, we'll catch you later.